The reason why I start here is because I'm going to talk about this guy. Okay, the name right here, Bei Renyuan, I am Bei. Did you guys see the Suzhou Museum just over there? Yeah, you guys remember that, right? So Suzhou Museum was designed by I am Bei. So he wasn't a local per se because he was born in Guangzhou, but he later studied in Shanghai and he came to Suzhou very often because his ancestors came from Suzhou. Now, he is widely regarded as one of the greatest architects in modern China. He designed the Suzhou Museum, that was his final piece of work. And then he also designed the Bank of China Hong Kong building, which was in my hometown, Hong Kong. It used to be the tallest skyscraper in Asia. And he was able to, he got the job for that building because his father, a man named Bei Renyuan, he was a high-ranking executive in Bank of China. He was one of the founding members of the Bank of China Hong Kong. And Bei Renyuan's father, as is his grandfather, was a man named Bei Litai, who was also a banker. And then Bei Litai had a cousin by the name of Bei Runsheng. Now, Bei Runsheng is widely known as the pigment king because back then in the early 1900s, he imported or he became an agent for a type of pigment invented by a German chemist called Renyuan, who worked for BASF. He invented this blue pigment called industhrone, and industhrone became a very good selling pigment here in China. After the start of World War I, German pigments were sort of like banned from international trade. But Mr. Bei Runsheng, he stockpiled a large amount of this pigment, and so he was able to sell his stockpiles for a really high price. And then with this wealth, he purchased the Lion Forest Garden. That's the reason why I brought you guys into this place. So to tell you guys about the Bei family and specifically about Mr. Bei Runsheng, who purchased the Lion Forest Garden, and he turned that garden into a family shrine for the Bei family. Because when he was young, he was very poor. He didn't grow up in a wealthy family, but his members in the Bei clan helped him, and so he wanted to repay his relatives, and that's the reason why he contributed this money, he allocated this money to build this family shrine. It's essential to understand this part of the history because Mr. Bei Runsheng conducted extensive renovation of the garden. So a lot of the Lion Forest Garden as we see it today is the result of his renovations. Okay, so just remember this guy, Mr. Bei Runsheng, who purchased this garden in 1917. Okay, so that was the beginning of the Republic of China era, right after the end of Qing dynasty, when China began to receive a lot of Western elements. So this East-West fusion in the garden is one of the defining features of this garden. It's something that you don't see nearly as much in the other gardens across Suzhou. Okay, so remember this. Let's head into the garden.